Welcome to my travel channel. I'm Jane, and I'm passionate about exploring and sharing incredible places with you. Join me as we uncover the stories and beauty behind every destination. Welcome to Mexico. We're taking a whirlwind tour of one of the most vibrant countries in the world. From the turquoise waters of the Riviera Maya to the bustling streets of Mexico City, I'll walk you through the must-visit spots, cultural highlights, and hidden gems of this incredible country. Mexico is a place that blends the ancient and the modern, offering something for every kind of traveler. So, let's get started. Number 1. Cancun and Riviera Maya, beaches and adventure. Our first stop is the famous Riviera Maya, and of course, Cancun. If white sandy beaches and crystal clear turquoise water are what you're after, this is the place to be. Cancun is known not just for its beaches, but also for its vibrant nightlife and array of water activities. From snorkeling in the world's second largest barrier reef to jet skiing along the coast, there's an adventure waiting for everyone. But beyond the beach, this area holds secrets beneath the surface, literally. Cancun and the surrounding areas have hundreds of cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with clear, cool water, ideal for swimming and exploring. Some cenotes are open and bright, while others are tucked away in caves, creating a magical experience that feels like stepping into another world. Number 2. Tulum, ancient ruins and eco-luxury. Heading further south, we reach Tulum, a spot where history and eco-luxury go hand in hand. The Mayan ruins here sit majestically on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea, and the view is just as breathtaking as the ruins themselves. There's a deep sense of history as you walk among these ancient stone walls, imagining what life was like in the era of the Mayans. After exploring, treat yourself to one of Tulum's famous eco-resorts. This town is known for its focus on sustainable tourism, with resorts and retreats that blend into the natural surroundings. From beachfront yoga classes at sunrise to farm-to-table dining experiences, Tulum lets you slow down and appreciate the beauty around you. Number 3, Mexico City, a cultural powerhouse. Now, Mexico City, a bustling metropolis where history and modernity collide. This is the cultural heart of the country and one of the most exciting cities in the world. Start your visit at the Zocalo, one of the largest public squares on the planet, where Aztec temples once stood and now grand colonial buildings surround the plaza. And if you're an art lover, Mexico City is a treasure trove. Don't miss the Frida Kahlo Museum, located in her iconic blue house. Or, take a stroll through the Palacio de Bellas Arts, where the architecture alone is worth the trip. And, of course, you can't talk about Mexico City without mentioning the food. Street vendors fill the air with the mouth-watering smell of tacos al pastor, quesadillas, and churros. For a true local experience, head to a traditional mercado, market, and try dishes like tamales, elote, or tortoise. Teotihuacan, the city of the gods. Just a short drive from the capital is Teotihuacan, known as the City of the Gods. This ancient Mesoamerican city dates back to around 100 AD and is home to the impressive Pyramid of the Sun and Pyramid of the Moon. Climbing these pyramids is not for the faint-hearted, but the view from the top is absolutely worth it. As you walk along the Avenue of the Dead, the main path through Teotihuacan, you'll get a true sense of the grandeur and mystery of this ancient civilization. It's a hauntingly beautiful reminder of Mexico's long, complex history, and a must-see for anyone interested in archaeology. Number 5, Oaxaca, art, culture, and cuisine. Our next stop takes us to Oaxaca, a city rich in indigenous culture, colorful art, and unforgettable food. Oaxaca's markets are filled with vibrant textiles, pottery, and unique crafts from local artisans, giving you a chance to bring home something truly authentic. And then there's the food. Oaxaca is famous for its mole sauces, rich, complex, and layered flavors that take hours to prepare. Each mole is different, with some having over 20 ingredients, from spices to chocolate. The dish is a work of art in itself. You can also try mezcal, a smoky spirit made from agave, often sipped with orange slices and salt made from ground-up worms. Yes, worms, trust me, it's all part of the experience. Number 6, Guadalajara, mariachi and tequila. Next, let's go to Guadalajara, the birthplace of mariachi music and tequila. Walking through Guadalajara feels like being in the heart of Mexican tradition. The sound of mariachi fills the air, with bands performing in plazas and restaurants. In the nearby town of Tequila, you can visit the agave fields and learn how this iconic drink is made. Explore the rich flavors and stories behind tequila at a local distillery, where you can sample different varieties and even learn how to drink it like a true aficionado, no lime or salt needed. Number 7, Baja California, ocean and desert adventure. For the adventurers, Baja California offers something completely different. The rugged coastline and desert landscapes make it a playground for surfers, nature lovers, and those looking for something off the beaten path. Try whale watching in the Pacific, explore the desert, or simply enjoy the breathtaking sunsets. Baja's unique mix of ocean and desert is unlike any other part of Mexico, and it's perfect for those seeking an escape into nature. Number 8, Yucatan Peninsula, Chichen Itza and colonial charm. Finally, no trip to Mexico is complete without a visit to the Yucatan Peninsula. This is home to Chichen Itza, one of the new seven wonders of the world, and it's easy to see why. Standing before the massive El Castillo pyramid is humbling, knowing it was built over 1,000 years ago without modern tools. After exploring these ruins, take a trip to Valladolid, a charming colonial town nearby. With its pastel-colored buildings and cobblestone streets, Valladolid is a peaceful escape and a beautiful way to end any adventure through Mexico. So, whether you're here for the beaches, the culture, the history, or the food, Mexico offers an adventure for everyone. Each region tells its own story and leaves you with memories to last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite spots in Mexico. Until next time, happy travels!